In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number on LinkedIn profile. We'll start from a web browser, so it's easy to follow along. Make sure you're signed in to your LinkedIn account. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn, then click the official LinkedIn website in the results to open the homepage. Once LinkedIn loads, look to the top of the page for your profile menu labeled Me. Click that to open the drop-down, then choose View Profile to go to your profile page. On your profile header, you'll see a small pencil icon. That pencil lets you edit your introduction section. Click the pencil to open the editing panel. Inside this panel, find the area labeled Contact Info and select Edit Contact Info. This opens a window that gathers your contact details in one place. In this window, locate the phone number field. If you're replacing an existing number, highlight the old one so you don't accidentally leave extra digits behind. If needed, adjust the country or region code from the drop-down to make sure your number is saved correctly for your location. Now type your new phone number. Keep it accurate and complete. Even a single wrong digit can prevent recruiters or colleagues from reaching you. LinkedIn will format the number for readability, so you don't need to add dashes unless you prefer. Before saving, take a moment to review any options tied to the number, such as labeling it as mobile or work, and checking who can see it in your contact info. Choosing the right visibility helps you share your details with the audience you intend. When everything looks right, click Save. You should see the window close and your changes reflected in your profile's contact info. If LinkedIn prompts you to verify your number by text, just follow the on-screen steps. That's a normal security check to confirm the new number belongs to you. That's it. Your phone number is now updated on your LinkedIn profile. If the layout looks a little different on your screen, don't worry. LinkedIn updates its design from time to time. The key is to reach your profile, open the edit panel with the pencil icon, go into contact info, update the phone number, and save. You can follow a similar flow in the LinkedIn mobile app, though button placements may vary. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher while you make the change.